just write $sign query is equal double question mark insert into. You need to learn basic MySQL query if you don't know. Layers, first bracket, this will be name. Make sure the order is same as inside this MySQL query. The first one is name, market value, club, and position. And make sure the spelling is same. Name, market underscore value, okay, club, position, and values will be, this is value we are going to set to this. Okay, so values will be single question mark $sign name comma single question mark $sign market value single question mark comma single question mark $sign club comma single question mark $sign position. Make sure the order is same as this one. Okay, now don't forget about semicolon. Now we need to execute this query. For that we need to write a if statement MySQL underscore query. We need to write a function from this PHP. We need to write MySQL query. Okay, first argument will be connection, second argument will be query, 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 and when it is successful it should show a message. The message will be echo successful and redirect to the home page or any page you want to. Header, location colon index.php question mark data is data recorded. Where this connection coming from? This connection is coming from this DB, so we need to include this DB in the beginning of our PHP code. So just write require underscore once config config /db.php. This is the name of our file. Tab, okay, save it, reload the page once again. When you enter the player name Messi, market value 150 million, position forward, club Barcelona, submit. You submitted this form. You can see localhost php code index.php, that means it is redirected and data recorded successfully. Okay, now let's see, go to the database, refresh the page. You see the first record has been added, that is Messi, ID is 1, name Messi, market value, club, and position. Okay, that means create operation is done. Now it's time to work with read operation. Index.php, from here you have a table. This is the table and we have 4. Okay, let's make one more. td. Inside this td, this is the last one. This action, inside this action we will have two buttons. First one will be a button with class name of class button btn primary. This is edit button. Copy it and paste it below, and this one will be delete button delete, and this is button. Then above this table we are going to write some PHP code. PHP tab, we are going to make some query to retrieve data from the database. Just write a $sign, query is equal double quotation mark, and query will be select everything, that is a star. Select everything from our table name was pairs, and result is equal MySQL I. We have used it previously, as I think you remember. Connection comma, second one will be query included, you see. Now below this, let's create one more variable, that is record is equal MySQL underscore num underscore rows. What it does, let me show you what it does. Go to the official website. From here you see this is what it does. Get the number of the rows in a result. Okay, just search for PHP num rows, you can get the result. Table body, here we are going to write some PHP code, and at the beginning of PHP code we'll check something. If we have the records, we'll do something. We'll do what? Let's we'll add a loop, a while loop. Result, while it is rows, the variable rows is equal MySQL assoc face underscore assoc, and here we need to pass result. Okay, what this assoc does, go to the browser once again, fetch assoc. This does fetch a result row as a associative array. Okay, so it does fetch our result from the database, okay, in an array. So now we need to close the PHP by using question mark greater than sign. Once again close from the bottom, question mark less than question mark PHP. This is the starting, and this is the copy from this tr table row and paste it here. Inside this first table we need to write PHP echo rows name. Okay, now we should see the name. Reload the page once again. You see the name is showing. Yeah, it's perfect. Name, market value. Save it, reload the page. It's showing something error, that is undefined. I think we did some mistake on position. This is the mistake I made. POSITION. Save it, reload the page once again. Oh, wow, it's perfect.